Hi, I'm Nasir Ahmad. Today we are going to see our local wildlife. It's monarch butterfly, scientific name Danus plexipus from Arthropoda. This species is present all around our region. Their habitat is flowering plants and they feed on the nectar of flowers. These species are natives of North and South America. This species commonly named as green-legged spider. Scientific name is Busidia verdon. Their habitat is all kind of green shrubs. Their foods are all type of nectar-sucking insects like honeybees. They are commonly found in central US, Mexico, and West Indies. This one is called tree bark mantis. These have various species and they are hiding on the trunk of trees. They are feeding on moths, flies, and crickets. These have about 2400 species. This one is called caterpillar. It's larva stage of order Lepidoptera. Their habitat is grass, plants, and feed on the leaves of plants. They are common species of garden tiger moth caterpillar. They are present all around the world on mountainous areas. The fifth one is common toad. Scientific name is buffo from phylum Chordata. Initially, their habitat is water and ponds is deadfall. Then they live all the way on earth on grasslands, gardens, etc. They feed on larvae of insects, moths, and spiders, slugs. The sixth one is sun spider from phylum Arthropoda. They live on warm arid areas and deserts, common in subcontinent and Australia. They feed on termites, wasps, and beetles. The seventh one is commonly known as snail from phylum Mollusca. Their habitat is wetland, gardens, and leaves. This one is commonly known as Brahmini blind snake from phylum Chordata. Their habitat is urban and agriculture area. This one is commonly called housefly. Scientific name is Musca domestica from phylum Arthropoda. They live on decaying plants and animals. The tenth one is commonly known as cockroach. Its scientific name is Blatodia. This is also a member of phylum Arthropoda. Their habitat is warm, dark, wet areas. This species is commonly known as huntsman spider. Its scientific name is Heteropoda venatoria from phylum Arthropoda. Their habitat is dry land and trees. They feed on small insects, arthropods, lizards, and frogs. They are commonly found in Asia. This one is commonly known as Indian pepper wasp, which scientific name is Rhopalidia marginata from family Vespedia. They make a nest on trees, on the ceiling of homes and garages. They feed on insects and spiders. They are found in Pakistan, Queensland, and Eastern Pacific Island. They are most common social wasp in India. This species is commonly known as red bugs, which scientific name is Pyrocoridae from phylum Arthropoda. Their habitat is green plants and also feed on it. This species is commonly known as Chinese edible frog. Its scientific name is Hoplobatrachus rugulosus. Their habitat is fresh water They feed on insects and smaller frogs and rodents. This species is commonly known as backswimmer from phylum Arthropoda class Insecta. Their habitat is ponds, freshwater pools, and slow-moving streams. They feed on aquatic insects and tadpoles. This species is commonly known as masked hunter, which scientific name is Reduvius personatus, from family Reduvidae. They live in woody areas. They feed on a variety of small insects and arthropods. This species is commonly known as Indian gamma snake. Scientific name is Boyga trigonata from family Colubridae. This species can be found in all types of forests. It is distributed throughout Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and India. This is a species of red pepper wasp, which scientific name is Polistes canadensis from family Vesperia. This species is native of America. They spread around Florida, New York, and West Nebraska. This one's English name is dragonfly, which scientific name is Brachythemis impartita from class Insecta. Its habitat is slow-moving lakes, rivers, and water rather unopen landscape. This one is commonly known as northern mole cricket, which scientific name is Neucartella hexadactyla from phylum Arthropoda class Insecta. They live on sandy soil and golf courses. This is commonly known as lake hawk. Scientific name is Betiogallus anthracinus from family Accipitridae. They live on lowland rainforests and mountain rivers. They feed on fish, frogs, lizards, and snakes. They are commonly found in central US and Mexico. This is commonly known as Barnet moth from family Zygaenidae, order Lepidoptera. Their habitat is flowery grassland including lowland and cliff edges. They feed on the nectar of grass. It's commonly known as Asian honeybee, which scientific name is Apis cerana, from family Apidae, phylum Arthropoda. Their habitat is tropical and subtropical temperate zones of South and mainland Asia. They feed on pollen and nectar of flowers. This is commonly known as bush cricket. Its scientific name is Mecopodinae from phylum Arthropoda class Insecta. Their habitat is trees and grassland. They feed on plants, leaves, and other insects. This one is commonly known as tropical wolf spider, genus Stenus, family Stenidae. Their habitat is shrubland, woodland, and wet coastal forests. They feed on other insects and vertebrates. As you see in this video, he is attacking a broad-headed bug. They are most common in Australia. This one is commonly known as broad-headed bug from family Ellididae, phylum Arthropoda. Their habitat is seashore and heathland. Their common food is plant seeds. This one is commonly known as dark bush cricket from class Insecta, family Tetigonidae. Their habitat is woodland and gardens. They feed on smaller insects like caterpillar. This one is commonly known as rough-tailed gecko. Its scientific name is Cytopodium scabrum. Their habitat is arid, subarid, and woodland. They feed on ants, spiders, and crickets, scorpions, and caterpillars. This is commonly known as common wall lizard from order Squamato, phylum Chordata. Their habitat is rocky environment, woodland, shrubland, and urban areas. They feed on grasshoppers, crickets, moths, caterpillars, and other insects. This one is commonly known as brown marmorated sting bug. Its scientific name is Heliomorpha helis from phylum Arthropoda, order Hemiptera. They live on the side of houses and on trees. They are commonly found in Eastern Asia like China, Pakistan, Japan, Taiwan. So that was sum up our local wildlife of deer lore. Some of the species you've seen in this video was captured from our hillside we went to. It was really a tough hike in such temperate days, and also I enjoyed severely as you see in this clip.